Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the photo gallery on your Motorola phone. So if it's not apparent in the app settings right here or anything like that, what we could do is always go to the camera icon right here. And usually there's like a picture icon or like a gallery icon. On this phone, it's in the bottom right side of the screen. I can select this and it'll bring me to the photo gallery. And then I can go over to library or I can go to photos. And sometimes you might have to look for the Google applications. So this is the Google Photos application right here. And this will be the same thing. And this will upload from like your Google account too. So you can swipe up and then go to the Google section and look for Google Photos. Otherwise, what we could do is go to the Play Store and then go up to the top and go to search and then type in gallery. And then this is a different phone that has internet. I can go to where it says the Moto gallery right here and I can select this and I can install this application. Or what I could do is go on down to where it says the gallery right here from Google LLC. And I can download this one. So I'm going to install this one on my phone and then open it up. So you can go to the Google Play Store and just get a gallery application if it doesn't display on your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.